Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video, guys. It has only been a few hours or almost close to a day since it has been announced that popular Ukhozi FM host Zanele Mpokazi died following her diagnosis with living with lung cancer, you guys. Now, the public figure who is also known as the Crown Gospel Music Award founder um, had KZN gospel singer sisters Tina Zungu visit her home to pay tribute to the legendary woman of God, you guys. The gospel community is in mourning for the legendary Mam Zanele Mpokazi, you guys. So, gospel singers like Dubim Godstad and Tina Zungu visited her home to pay tribute, of course. So, this is what I found online, you guys. So, let me not waste your time but quickly insert that video. But before I do that, do make sure that you do engage with me in the comments section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video, and may God bless you all, and may Mam Zanele Mpokazi's soul just rest in peace. Bye.